Hi everyone and welcome back. Now I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I know I certainly did, and I'm so looking forward to welcoming 2020 in. I can't wait for it. I've got a feeling it's going to be a fantastic year, so I can't wait for the new year. So yeah, but for now, I'm here and I'm hungry, and I've just looked through the freezer and I've got some pies from Iceland. This is Iceland's Balti chicken pies. They come in a box of four. It's a 568 gram box. Now, what does it say on the box? Four chicken Balti pies. Short crust pastry filled with cooked diced chicken breast in a spicy curry sauce, topped with a puff pastry lid. And all you do is chuck them in the oven for 35 minutes. And away you go. Here's one I made earlier. There he is, out of the pastry. It's come out rather nice. I've cut the lid off, as I always do, to enable me to take a peek inside. And there you go. Chicken Balti pie. Smells nice. Smell the spices and everything coming through. No, it does actually smell very nice. Let's get stuck in. Let's waste no time with this, because A, I'm hungry, and B, it smells nice. And I thought I'd try a few different pies from Iceland after the success that I had with their festive pie, which you may or may not have tried or seen the review. But look at that. Look at that. Steam about enough of that. I don't know if you can see it. It smells. Let's get it in. Oh, hot. Now these are a limited edition, by the way. I'll tell you what. Let's do the pastry first. The short crust pastry is nice. Puff pastry lid. As it should be. And this filling is very, very nice. Wow, that is nice. That is a nice filling. It really is. Focus. Is that focusing? No, but that is. It's not too hot. There is a little bit of spice to it. But again, it's not nothing bad. I'm not running to the fridge for a gallon of milk. That is nice. That is super duper. That is a nice pie. Now, I can't remember how much they were. I'll have a look and find out. And I'll let you know. With that's wonderful. I only put one in the oven, so I thought I'll do that. If I buy a box of pies, I'll just put one in and try it, just in case I don't like it. I should have cooked the rest of them. Oh, that is absolutely. Do you know what? I tried the Iceland festive pie not long ago. That was spot on. This is spot on. Are all their pies spot on? I'm gonna have to try the Iceland pies. Just buy a load of Iceland pies and review them. Absolutely to die for. So, if you've not tried them, go and try them. If you like a curry pie or whatever, then that that was bang on. The spices, I'm gonna say, it's not burning my throat out. There is a bit of spice. There is a something there. It's making my nose run a little bit, but it's not unbearable. It's nice. It is a nice pie. If you don't like, if you don't like curries that are too hot or too much of a spicy pie or something like that, that should do you. So let's wrap this one up. Would I buy them again? Yes, I definitely would buy them again. I would have them again. In fact, I'm probably going to cook another one now. And I'd recommend it. So go try them. From Iceland, 4 in a box chicken Balti pies. Absolutely wonderful. Guys, thank you very much. Take care, and I will see you all again soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful New Year's Eve, whatever you're doing. Take care, and I will see you again soon.